Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making bitter gourd curry. Oil 2 tablespoons. Onion chopped half cup. Saute for 2 minutes. Bitter gourd 200 grams. Chopped tomatoes 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoons. Half tablespoon turmeric. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Roasted cumin and fenugreek powder half tablespoon. Mix everything, cook on medium heat. Water half cup, close the lid, cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Now add tamarind water. Cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Some properties of bitter gourd. It may have antioxidants, it's hypoglycemic, lower the blood sugar level activity, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-cancer. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.